was the last day of the solstice, cause your vision never forgets the streaks of light illuminating the heavenly dark skies. But yet, my jetpack was losing energy mad quick, had to touch down near Egypt.
Hey yo, I landed in the streets where a circle was formed. I'm informed from the mothership that rhymes were born. So I approach in my earth suit, quiet as kept. One was standing in the middle, displaying his intellect. Simulation of a beat was cloned by his lips.
My moonshine from the mind gave a lunar eclipse. In outer space while I race, added mad names to faces. And touch stars on blue bars, we ride the holy places.
Wushu, these space cadet on the microphone. I flow like water in a cup when I'm up. Tell me if you down, jump around, but don't frown. Come give me a pound for that lost step sound. I be getting down like rain to the ground. Bring in nothing but fat lyrics to your town. Some crews can't comprehend how I stretch and bend. I'm flexible, rock a show with my friends. I see these aliens with the duck bill, so I had to blast them with my axial, gyroscopic, pre-sub inertia, flip-flop, photo, megatronic, oscillating laser rifle. Now I stand alone on Satan's clones, holding my Bible.